Gardening takes time, effort, and the right gloves. Meet the Kaygo KG18 red gloves, built for breathability, grip, and comfort. With 360 degrees ventilation, your hands stay cool and dry, even under the sun. The microfoam nitrile coating helps you hold tools, pots, and plants with confidence. The material resists wear and tear, tested to endure up to 22,000 abrasion cycles. They're 20% thinner than most gloves but deliver up to 50% more mechanical performance. The flexible, ergonomic fit helps reduce hand fatigue during long gardening sessions. Prune with precision, dig with confidence, and water without slipping. The KG18 moves with your hands, not against them. With a vibrant red design, these gloves are made for serious gardeners who care about comfort, control, and style. No more soggy gloves. No more clumsy grip. Protect your hands and enjoy every season in your garden. Kaygo KG18 Red, garden better.